So what does hope look like? It's in the faces and the rising spirit of a community. It's in the message that inspiration can overcome desperation. While the storm is behind us, the damage is still being felt. The devastation affected not only our friends and loved ones, but our offices, our agents, and our staff. But together we can and we will repair, restore, and rebuild a stronger Bahamas. We're committed not just today, not just tomorrow, but until brick by brick we rebuild our homes, our businesses, and our communities. Hope is reaching out and touching someone, listening, sharing a smile, and lending a helping hand. Because a neighborhood is more than just homes and streets. It's familiar faces, helping hands, and open arms. So smile, Abaco. Lift up your head, Grand Bahama, for together we will rebuild stronger than ever.